As conveyed to earlier, we are discussing about the laboratory module of hydrocarbons and stereochemistry, and now we are going to discuss about the experiment number 1. The experiment is to know the basic drawing of three-dimensional structures and preparing the model using ball and stick. For this, we consider ethane as an example. All of us know the molecular formula of ethane. It contains 2 carbons and 6 hydrogen atoms. Now, how we are going to explain this structure using ball and stick in terms of stereochemistry? This is the one-dimensional, and here the position of hydrogen is not clearly shown, but actually how to represent this molecule? This is the model. That is, this black ball represents 2 carbon atoms, and this ball and stick combination represents each hydrogen. What we observe is that if we see like this, then we can find only one in one-dimensional structure. If we want to write the structure, we can find only one carbon, others is on the back side. How we are going to represent this in the paper as well as using the model? First thing is to assign the carbon atoms. If I consider this as a carbon atom, this black ball as a carbon atom, then these are considered as hydrogen. Normally,